Experiencing the frustrating CapCut split screen 3 sections overlay not working glitch. We're fixing it immediately. This common CapCut overlay problem can halt your progress, but solutions are simple. First, restart CapCut. This often clears temporary conflicts. Always update CapCut to the latest version for stability. If the CapCut overlay issue persists, Method 2 targets graphics. Update your graphics drivers immediately. Outdated drivers frequently cause display errors. Running CapCut as administrator also grants necessary permissions, preventing glitches. If those don't work, Method 3 focuses on project files. A corrupted project or media asset might be the culprit. Try a new project or re-import your media. Clearing CapCut's cache removes corrupt temporary files, often resolving display issues. Finally, Method 4 covers deeper system checks. Insufficient disk space or high CPU or RAM usage can hinder CapCut performance. Monitor resources and ensure your OS is updated. Don't let this glitch stop your creativity. These steps will get your CapCut split screen working flawlessly.